You need now to set worthy goals. Like, you have to have goals of the things that are a priority. Sit down and write down the things that are a priority. You might find out sometimes ngokuthi le timbo lotibona ukuthi uyatidzinga on a monthly basis. Tiyayindlula imali yemholo wakho. Now, that's where you will need to readjust some of the things that you are doing. This one, it's very hard to do. Simply because many of us, we did not know this until we were working. Already, saying iphakamisile level yempilo yami to a certain level. Now, kudrop amfundisi ngiye ku level lephansi kuba lukhuni because nebantu bazalwane ngiyeke lebantu bazalwane, they will judge you. Buka kule timbo lotendayo ukuthi yini lengakhona kudropa kuyo. Set worthy goals. Uyibuke lento ukuthi okay, uma ngidayenda le for this long, how, because bazalwane, we are here to stay. We don't even know ukuthi siyahamba nini. I usually say, Mfundisi, I'm happy because you have announced, I've heard online, but you even narrated today, the church is busy planning to buy a land. Ayikho imvo lengifrustrate nje kuba sebandleni lecala January kufika December singakabi khona imvo lesendako. Let alone my personal life. That one I'm in control. Libandla ke for that matter. Ayikho imvo lengifrustrate njengaleyo ke. Bandu, I don't know how we do it though. If I've done something this year, celebrated it, like we are over celebrating our victories. We are gonna, every time you get a breakthrough, celebrate it, and then tomorrow start planning for the future. That is why it's nebandu babumhlahla basa celebrate nalamuhla ukuthi hey yabona mina nkulunkulu. Hey nkulunkulu wangi uyakukhumbula lo nobufakazi bethu bakudzala. Uma usukuma basifakaza bazalwane mina ngisinzisiwe ene mina ngasinziswa na 1946. Hallelujah. Ngasinangisinziswa 1946. So okay, that's good. I'm not saying it's bad. However, what is the new thing that God is doing in your life? Sometimes we become even comfortable. Kuze kwathe kuqala umnyaka uphele. 12 months, it's a very long time bazalwane. We must set worthy goals. At least one thing that you can do, shouthi ngeminyaka lo so I've done this. Ungangibambele ngelijazi esayidini on this one. I can assure you ungibude kokuthi from the time ngaqala kusebenza 2009 until to this day, what is it that I've been doing? I can tell you each and every year. And it's even worse because mfundisi mina mangqala kusebenza 2009, I was not fortunate enough to go to university to graduate and do all kinds of things. So bengisebenta as a general worker ngihola 2.7. Ask me what I did on that year, 2009. I will tell you. 2007 for it, 2008 when I started doing things until to this day. I can tell you each and every year. And you have to be intentional about it. You see, 2007 to now, it's a very long time. So it tells you what? When people see you sometimes imaging, they tell themselves, hey, he came out of nowhere. It does not work like that. You have to work your way up. Set worthy goals. Hallelujah. But then don't feel guilty and don't feel depressed and disadvantaged. From time to time, you will fail. Fundisi mnisu yathi ukuthi kwendekalani nakathenga imbuti kwekucala. Uthi thenge nje tibe ngitheni Minister Kent imbuti takho uthi awuthi ngiqale esibaya. Naqedza lapho tifet phele tonke ufuna uqale ngasali na 2 uthi okay utawuncenga ngale 2 tifet phele tonke utawuthini wena. So those things that happen ngende akusale inye ngende akusale 2 ngende akufe ukuthola sinathi itala sometimes mazinyana yafa onke all of those things. And until you find a way, go say, okay, you pray about it and all of those things until you make it. So don't feel guilty when you are failing. Sometimes the abantu baze depressed, go say, hey, mina ngiyafaila. We've all been there. And sometimes it takes a while. The major thing that you need every time, set worthy goals to improve the level. Hallelujah.